Maintaining prostate health is essential, especially as men age, and certain juices can be particularly beneficial in this regard. Tomatoes are a top choice, thanks to their high levels of lycopene, an antioxidant that has been linked to prostate health. Tomato juice, either fresh or in a low-sodium version, can be a great daily addition. Pomegranate juice is another excellent option. Its potent antioxidant properties can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases and may have specific benefits for the prostate. Cranberry juice, known for its benefits in urinary tract health, can also support the prostate due to its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Watermelon juice, rich in lycopene like tomatoes, can be a refreshing and beneficial drink. Additionally, green vegetable juices made from leafy greens like spinach and kale, packed with antioxidants and essential nutrients, can support overall health and potentially benefit the prostate. These juices, when included as part of a balanced diet, can contribute to maintaining a healthy prostate.